In this example, I've performed a simple part replace, replacing what's at op sequence number 20, 559639 with a new op sequence 20, 223697. Once I've done that, I need to go into consumption workbench and make sure I'm consuming the part correctly. From here, I need to add my assembly. Populate the routings that I plan to work on. I can remove other routings that I don't need by unchecking the box or by clicking remove and selected routings. Next, I need to go into the edit screen. Here you'll see that according to the bill of material, I need to add my new part and delete my old. Having the old one allows me the opportunity to right click and show the parent process. This will take me to the activity that contains the old part. Once I'm there, all I need to do is find the old part, time it out, find my new part, and drag it in. See, my dates are staggered now. If I hit recompare, the changes will go to pending and they'll be highlighted below. I have one add, my new part, one delete, just my old part. Once I close this workbench, all of my pending changes will be saved back to the routing.